I didn't even get a pump.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
What are you doing, father?
I'm listening to music.
Turn it up.
It's good music, son.
She is always right there when I need.
I prefer gangster shit. Ah!
Ah, wait. How's this?
Hold up.
That's more like it.
Just be thinking we saw.
What the? No! Ah!
No one put sugar on me, father.
What about Dendays?
Hi there, pectorials.
The legendary Super Saiyan has bigger pectorials than you.
No, he doesn't, stupid.
Do you even know who the legendary Super Saiyan is?
No.
Idiot.
Going around where you roast yourself, but I got news. I'm too awesome and too cool to get roasted. Ain't that right, Dark Carter?
No, you cannot be roasted. But you can be silenced.